We are unboxing the cacao wow dunks. I got these for my birthday actually, so this is like a part 2 of the last vlog, just unboxing some things that I got for my birthday. Also, it's Prime Day, so I did some Prime Day shopping that arrived also, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of that as well. But I got the cacao wow dunks in the size 6.5. Typically I am a 6, but I went half a size up in these. These were retail 150, no, retail price, I'm not sure the retail price. I know typically dunks go for like 125 if I'm not wrong, but I got them from StockX and the total was 154, which was a pretty good steal in my opinion, because I went to the Woodbury outlets. They were trying to sell me this shoe for $335. I'll insert a picture here, and I'm like, that is insane. You guys are literally profiting $100, technically $100. So I would just rather order them in StockX. So that's exactly what we did, and here are the babies. I just felt like this was the perfect fall shoe. It matches my nails. Although fall is about to be over and it's about to be winter, I got these in the honor of fall and for my birthday. Let's try the fit. Yeah, Joe's seen my disappointment. Oh my god, I hate ordering shoes for that reason. I don't know why the 6.5 feels loose. When I tried it on in store, they fit perfect. I am annoyed. This is the worst nightmare ever. Okay, Vanessa, there's people dying out there. I feel like Kim Kardashian. No, they are humongous. Okay, to make us feel better, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my birthday, because I'm a little triggered right now. In conclusion, let's just go to StockX right now. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to take that L and resell them on StockX. Hopefully I get back my money's worth, and if I lose some, hopefully I lose a little bit of money. Oh my god, they dropped in price. So for the size 6, if I want to get a size 6, I'll be looking at 123 when I got them at 154, Vanessa. So if I am trying to sell, I'm gonna be taking a major L, probably losing like around $60. Yeah, my payout would be 82, and I wasted 154 minus 82. That is $72 I'm losing. Yep, taking an L. As I said, let's just forget about this and move on to my Prime Day stuff. And the other things I did receive for my birthday are actually, do you guys want to see? I don't know if you guys want to see. I'll just do a really quick one. Now on that note, I did get a bonsai tree Lego set, and I'm gonna put it pink because I feel like I have a lot of green in this area. I don't know how I'll put it here, maybe in my room, I have no idea. But then I got a watering pot for my flowers. Not flowers, for my plants. As you guys can see, I have a couple of plants here. They are struggling, but I think it's due to the change of season. And it has this little flower dispenser. Then I got this waxing reusable melting pot that my sister got me for wax beads. Books. I got a Bagoo bag. Ooh. And I got PJ sets, which is a bathrobe with a cute little tank top and some straight bottoms. Actually flare, which is my favorite. Again, theme of fall. Everybody knows that fall is my favorite season. Browns, neutral, nudes. I am a sucker, so everybody just don't scare me brown. Even my water dispenser. How ironic. But now it's time for my Amazon Prime haul. This is the first package. First thing I got was some omega-3 or fish oil vitamins. The benefits, I gotta reread it because I read it and I was like, whoa, I suffer from that. But the thing that I did suffer from was dryness of skin where it looks crackly. Like I literally look like the Grand Canyon. So I decided to try this to fix the moisture in my skin. I know there are other benefits of using omega-3, but again, I gotta get more educated. So before I don't educate you guys properly, let me educate myself. And then I also got Oh, these are for wisdom tooth extractions. I'm gonna take my wisdom teeth out soon, so I'm gonna need to use those to flush out the hole. And then I got some chlorophyll drops. I've been trying to keep up with my health now, so another thing I've seen that is beneficial is liquid chlorophyll. I feel like I'm saying it funny. This is a good supplementary for your greens. If you don't eat enough greens, this is really good. And again, there are benefits with this, as in remove the toxins from your bottom. I mean from your bottom also, but from your body, and that helps with your BO. So it helps with you not smelling so funky, and also your metabolism. And now it's for the fun stuff. I feel like this was just like a little healthy thing. So again, girl math, if it's things we buy for our house, does it really count? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. This is packed to the brim. The first thing I did get was a continuous spray bottle. I always see those barbers in TikTok. I've been using this bottle, and the mist, it's amazing. I don't know why I got white. I should have gotten black. My whole room is black. Then I also got this 101 envelope savings challenge. This is just for me to budget more. This is something that I don't want to touch until I'm done with. By the end of this challenge, you should have $5,000. I want to see the quality of this. It doesn't feel that bad. It also comes with the stickers, and the way this challenge works is that there's 100 envelopes, and then each envelope goes from 1 to 100, and whatever envelope you want to put in your money. So if I just want to put $1, I'll go ahead and put $1. If I want to put $22, I'll go ahead and put $22, and that's lit. And then that is how this challenge works. I also wanted to be bougie. This was so unnecessary but necessary. I got gold utensils. These are so cute. I am already obsessed. It's just little things like this that makes you love your house a little more, or it's just something about it that just makes me internally happy. Like now being older and being able to buy myself just silly little things like this. What's next? Knives, and they are black with a transparent block. Again, aesthetic. It's the aesthetic vibes that have me sold. I noticed that this is really flimsy, but I guess you get what you pay for. And look, it's already scratched right there. The knives actually feel really sturdy. Oh my god, yes, they don't wiggle from the handle. It's just, I like making my house prettier, because when my house is just pretty and nice and neat, I just always want to be here, and that is a problem because now I do not want to go out from my house. I also ended up getting a curtain rod for my bathroom and some shelves, which we are gonna put later on. So we are gonna see these in action. These are the shelves I bought. You definitely couldn't tell by the box, but this is how they look like. It's just a little rustic wood finish with some black metal frame, and I think I paid $20 for this. And here I just want to put my skincare items, my lotions, my makeup remover, and not only skincare products, because I know when you leave skincare products in the bathroom, it could cause problems on the longevity of your skincare products because of the constant heat and coldness of the bathroom. It just messes with the product, but I love it. About to drink my first take of water with chlorophyll. I am a little scared because I am going out and I'm gonna be out and about, so hopefully this doesn't hit my metabolism that quick. I saw that per serving you should add about 18 to 30 drops. I went on the safe side and did 18 drops because again, I do not want to be pooping myself while I'm out. Let's try this. I think it's just gonna taste like water. And it does smell a little minty to me. It definitely doesn't taste just like water, how some of you TikTokers claim. It tastes minty, more of a mint green tea taste. This is burpee water. Also, I haven't drank or eaten nothing They say it's best to drink this right before you wake up. I mean, right after you wake up, not before. How are we gonna drink it when we're sleeping? But right after, and then we go about our day. Well, while we do that, let's add some deodorant, because I feel like I did not add deodorant. I did not add deodorant. Oh my god, that was so disgusting of me. For those wondering, curious, I use the Degree Men's Sport deodorant. I tried the whole detox with native deodorant. It was not going well for me. It went downhill real quick because it just made me smell like onions, and I couldn't get past the fact of the detoxing phase, so I just stopped. There is another deodorant I want to try. It's a pink one, and they say that one is super good, so maybe I'll give that one a go. But let's move over here because I'm not trying to flash no one. Anyways, I am going out, and it was my brother-in-law's birthday the other day, and tell me why his packages never arrived on time, so I didn't give him nothing for his birthday technically. So we have to give him his birthday gift. I got him Legos. I got him the Lamborghini Lego, and I got him a McLaren Lego set. But I'm gonna give him this bag. I think it's just like a little bit funny of me. You know, I'm a jokester. That's so cringe, but I just think it's like a little funny joke to give him a gift bag that is Sophia. I do have other gift bags, but I saw this one and I'm like, that's the one we're going with. So just tag along with me today and see what we're doing. We're doing some fall activities because fall is about to come to an end, and if you guys don't know, it's been raining consistently here in New York every single weekend. My mom always comes through with the sandwiches.
Ese que acostaste con el que está más allá.
No, así déjame ya.
We came for apple and pumpkin picking. We came to Wilkins Farm, which is located upstate New York, Westchester County, and the entrance is there. They're making fun of Carol because when she was younger, they let her go to a school trip, and you know, we weren't that fortunate with money, so my parents were thinking, oh, she's gonna bring back so many apples. She would literally just bring 3 apples, one for her, one for my mom, and one for my dad, and sometimes only bring 2 because she ate hers on her way home.
I was thinking budget friendly. I thought they were reduced the cost.
She was thinking that she was being thoughtful, but my parents were just like, what are you doing? Which ones you know are good?
These right there.
Oh, yes. Ah, I need dirt to build. What is it called?
Your immune system?
My immune system. They're actually really juicy and good, although I did not wash them. But they're in the nature, so technically no one has touched them, and they haven't went to produce section and all that. This apple, I swear I'm not lying, was the juiciest apple I've eaten in a while. But I'm in the fall spirit. I am a little overdressed because it's the hottest it's been in a hot minute. Every weekend has been raining, so I haven't had the chance to wear my cute fall outfit. So now that I do, I decided to just wear it and die with the heat. But I'm just wearing a cute H&M sweatshirt with some leggings from Aerie and the classic Ugg slippers. My Uggs are getting wet. Move back so we could. Yay! I got it. These are all the apples we have so far. I think we have maybe like 15 apples here or more. And this was $27. So it isn't bad. We're not going off by pounds. If you buy this bag, you just stuff as many as you want and you take it home.
Apple season is ending, so they said that grab as many as you can. You don't need to weigh it.
It's because it's apple season is ending. And you see her bag, I feel like a stalker. Her bag was $70.
Yes.
$70, and it looks smaller than the one we have, so math not mathing. Got the little apples Emily picked. Let me see so I can show. Yeah, a little apple for a little girl. You know what's so tempting? I was just telling them, I feel like you could bring your own bag and stuff it. I know it's a little illegal, but it's the end of season, so these apples are all gonna go to waste. So in my defense, if you brought a bag, you could have probably taken, because I can't take nothing. I could probably take one small apple. Let's keep it real. Unlike my mom, if she didn't have nothing in there, she probably could have stuffed apples. That one's cute, right? There aren't much pumpkins. We did come the 28th, which is basically the last couple of days of October, so I think everybody took the pumpkins. But Sam ended up trading her pumpkin, right? This is another one?
Yeah.
Than the first one I showed?
I don't know, man. I still don't know.
While we're waiting for Carol to come back, she went to go. So for the meantime, let's water repel my Uggs. I swear by this, if you got Uggs, please, for the life of God, use water repellent. If not, they're gonna get stained with watermark and it's just hard for you to remove them. We are trying, what are these? Apple cider donuts? We're gonna see if they pass. To be honest, I love fall, but I don't like no scents from fall when it comes to the pumpkin spice and all that. I hate it. It's so good. So good. What was the price range? 6 for $2?
6 for $6.
Oh, but that's still pretty good. So 6 for $6?
Yeah,
It's a steal. Oh my god.
they're good. They're really good.
I was just talking crap and I'm over here eating the whole donut. I would literally rate this a 10 out of 10. Now for pie. I don't like pie though, fun fact.
No fork, no nothing. We barbarians.
I just don't like peaches.
G-O-O-D.
Peaches are mid to me. I prefer apples than peaches.
Oh.
This one is the apple raspberry pie. It has jelly.
That's the raspberries.
Wait, raspberry is made out of jelly though, no?
No.
Berries are made out of jam.
The jam is made out of berries.
Let's go.
The bueno?
Better than the peach?
Yeah.
Is it? Let me get these.
And I don't like pie.
Nah.
It's really good. No, but I'm gonna take those donuts home. Shh. Don't say nothing. Okay. Don't say nothing. My mom's watching me. Bye! I was trying to be sneaky.